happy Sunday. We are off to Walmart and the grocery store and to go do quite a few errands. So I figured I'd just pop on and kind of show you what I wear on Sundays. Usually it's definitely my casual day. So for jewelry, I just have on my simple cross. Besides my wedding rings and my Tiffany bracelet, which I don't take off, that's really the only jewelry I wear. I kind of keep it minimal on Sundays. So I just have on a black tank, some black leggings, and I think the top and the leggings are both from Walmart. I'm not positive, but I will check and see, and I will link them in this video just in case you're interested. The sweater I got from Roz and Allie when they were opened. They're no longer opened, so I will try to find something similar either on Walmart or Amazon. I'm sure I can find something. If I can't find it on Amazon, I think it doesn't exist. It's kind of like my motto. And then I just have on some plain little white sneaks that I got from Charlotte Russe. I don't even know how many years ago. Excuse me. It's been quite a while. And I moved my mirror over here, and I think it has better light because there's a skylight. So we'll give it a try and see how they work out over here. But this is my outfit for today. And Sweet Wednesday Louise always has to be around. But this is my outfit for just going out running errands, and I probably will have a Walmart haul to show you when we get back. So have a great Sunday, or whatever day you're watching this. Probably won't be till Tuesday. But we're gonna have a great Sunday, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.
Hi guys. So we just got back from Walmart, and normally we would do our shopping mostly at Aldi's and then go to Walmart or Stop and Shop for some other things. But the last 2 weeks we've just strictly gone to Walmart just to kind of see if there is a price difference. And I think they're all pretty much equal right now. So, and a lot of the shelves are bare. I don't know if that's how you guys are in your state, but in Connecticut, I don't know what's going on, but it's like, I don't know, it's like the apocalypse out there or something. Not really sure, but you know, chicken is hard to find, cat food especially. So let me know in your area if you guys have any things that you guys look for that you don't have in your grocery stores. Because I'm just really curious as to, you know, what states are lacking certain things. I'd just like to know. But anyway, so let's get started. So not food items. So I got scent boosters. So I use the Arm & Hammer, and I think they're just as good as the Unstoppables or anything else, and they're a little bit cheaper. Picked up a small thing of Listerine because fresh breath counts. We have, I got a couple candles. So this is Better Homes and Gardens for wax melters. So I opened it up. It has a very fresh and clean scent. So I'm going to try this in our candle warmers, scent warmers in our Scentsy. And then I just got some bigger tea lights. And this is, Walmart is the only place that I've actually found the bigger tea lights. So when I put these in, they stay lit a little bit longer because they're a little bit bigger. So now on to all the food items. So we got some chicken tenders and some chicken thighs. We got some hamburgers for the grill. And then I got a big thing of hamburger. So tonight we're going to do a meat sauce with pasta. And normally we don't eat pasta, obviously, because you guys know we keto. But every once in a while we will have a little bit of pasta because, you know what, we're Italian and you only live once. So we're going to have that tonight. Oh, for another non-food item, we just got these dryer sheets because I was out of dryer sheets. So this is something that I just found in the store. And it's the new chick on the block, cauliflower. They're like they're chicken tenders. So I figured I would give them a try, and I will let you know if I like them or not. They looked kind of interesting. I've never had them before. Let's see, total carb. So it's about 10 carbs, something like that. So, you know, I might have like one or two, or maybe heat them up and then throw them in my salad kind of thing, and we'll just see if I like them. For the meat pasta tonight, I got some Parmesan cheese. And my husband's been getting these and bringing these to work every day for breakfast. And he says they're really good. So, and it says real good. So I guess they are. So it's only 4 carbs and he really likes it. So Picked up some of those. Got some unsweetened almond milk. I snack on these sometimes during the day. So it's just like a combo pack with like cheese and like a Slim Jim. I also got some shredded cheese because I'm sure I'll use that for something during the week. I also picked up some blue cheese crumbles because I've been putting that in my salad. I got some mild cauliflower because I kind of love pickled cauliflower, and I never think to get it, and then today in Walmart it was just right there, so I'm like, you know what, I like to snack on that sometimes too. Husband needed some more honey. Then I found these. It's like a seasoning gravy for your steak, but I thought I would make like a meatloaf with Lipton onion soup mix, no breadcrumbs, extra eggs, Lipton onion soup mix, maybe a little extra garlic, and then put this, whoops, I lost it, and then put this on the top. So I will let you guys know about that. I said about the honey, my husband snacks on the Cabot cheese that's already cut up for you. Got that. And yes, guys, I bought ice cream. I couldn't help myself, but I bought the Breyers Carb Smart. So that's the information on it per serving, so not too bad. But I did buy hot fudge. Yes, I know. But sometimes I just have to have it. And then I bought some almonds to put on top, because I like vanilla ice cream with almonds and hot fudge. That's kind of like my go-to mixture that I absolutely love. But I will use this very sparingly. I won't put on as much as I normally would. Then we got some Kinder's garlic and herb seasoning, and this is so good on chicken, or really anything. Truthfully, we throw it on our burgers before we put them on the grill, anything. And all the Kinders, they have different flavors. They are all really good, so I highly recommend those. Got some Lily's chocolate salted caramel flavored baking chips, and I'll show you why in a second. Got some almonds, I already told you about that. Excuse me. And then we found keto Duncan Hines, and I made these, I don't know if it was last week or the week before, but I think I put a little bit too much water, so they didn't really hold together very well. So I'm going to try it again, and I will let you know, but they were really, really, really good. So let's see if I can show you the information on it. And it's really not too bad. So they are keto friendly, so we're going to give it another try. Then I also snack on the little baby Bellas, so I got some of those. And normally, excuse me, Walmart has a carb-friendly pasta, although the shelves were bare. So we just got the whole wheat spaghetti. Like I said, it's not keto-friendly. Definitely has carbs in it. But of all the pastas, this had the least amount. So that's what we're going to do. Then I got some tomato puree, and then I got the vegan Bolognese, which is excellent. And what I do is I mix these two together in the saucepan with a little onion and a little extra garlic, and then throw the hamburger in it and just put it over pasta. Absolutely wonderful. Also got some dill pickles because my husband eats those. Found some keto friendly hamburger rolls, which we have had and are very good. So definitely recommend those too. And then because my husband needs to have like a piece of chocolate or something during the day, so we got some Atkins bars, and we got some keto mint chocolate chip peanut butter cups. Well, they're not peanut butter cups because they're mint, but you know what I mean. So that is our grocery haul for the week. And believe it or not, this is not a lot at all. And in our Walmart in Connecticut, we spend $146. So that just goes to show you how much everything has gone up. Because normally we would spend maybe under $100. Excuse me, there's only two of us. So, and even when my son comes over for dinner, you know, obviously I just pick up a few more things, but that's what we're talking about, guys. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like grocery hauls, home decor, lifestyle, fashion, all of those things. I would love to have you on my channel as part of my family. And I will see you next week. Bye, guys. Have a great week.
That I love you. Full stop. Can't believe believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.